In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set pending order inside of MatchTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to open up MatchTrader. From here you'll need to log into your account and get into the trading dashboard right here. From here you'll need to go over to the left hand side and choose the specific symbol that you want to set a pending order for. So let's say I want to add a BTC USD, a Bitcoin right here. Then from here I'll need to click advanced order. Now from here you will see the market and the pending, and if you click pending right here, you'll see this line right here where I can choose the volume automatically instead of writing it up here. So from here you'll need to add a price that you want to purchase it for, and you can see the pending price right here inside of the chart that you can also select right here and choose specific part of where you want to place this pending order for. And as you can see, the prices will also change depending on where you choose this draft line needs to be. From here you can also add a stop loss or a take profit, and from here you can simply just click buy, and from here you'll send an opener position for the pending order. You'll be able to see it down here on the pending orders, and once it's filled, it'll be over an open or closed positions. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please let them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!